Shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you will still be among the stars. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the correct meaning and usage of sometime and sometimes. What is the difference between sometime and sometimes? Confused about whether to use sometimes or sometime in a sentence? Do both words sound the same? The word sometime refers to some point of time in the future or past that is undetermined or unknown. Example, I will go to the exhibition sometime. The time here is undetermined or unknown. When I will go to visit the exhibition is unknown, but I will go to visit exhibition in future. Let's look at the meaning for the word sometimes. The word sometimes refers to something that is not frequent or not always. Example, Raman sometimes visits the temple. It means Raman does not always visit temples. He rarely visits temples. Just adding an S at the end of the word can create a huge difference in the meanings of these words, sometime and sometimes. Sometime. When you use the word sometime as an adverb, it means some point of time in the future or past that's undetermined and unknown for as of now. Look at this example. I will go to the exhibition sometime. As of now, I don't know the time of my visit to the exhibition. Arun will visit his parents sometime in May. Here, the time is unknown, but it will occur around May. Here, sometimes. The word sometimes refers to something that is not frequent and is used only as an adverb. Tarun visits the public library sometimes. Tarun visits public library sometimes. It means Tarun does not visit public library frequently. The final examination result will be released sometime around May. The time of the publication of result is unknown, undetermined as of now. So, we have used the word sometime. Look at this example. Sometimes it is necessary to think before you make a decision. Here, not all the time, but sometimes it is necessary to think before you make a decision. I'd like to conclude that sometimes and sometime are not synonymous. We cannot use these words interchangeably. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the words sometime and sometimes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.